Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between error of omission and error of commission in accounting. Both are types of accounting errors, but they differ in nature, causes, detection, and impact on financial records. Let us understand these differences one by one. Number 1. Error of omission occurs when a transaction is completely or partially left unrecorded, whereas error of commission occurs when a transaction is recorded incorrectly. Number 2. Error of omission is an error of non-recording, whereas error of commission is an error of wrong recording. Number 3. Error of omission is usually caused by oversight or negligence, whereas error of commission is often caused by carelessness in recording or posting entries. Number 4. In an error of omission, a required accounting action is not performed, whereas in an error of commission, an incorrect accounting action is performed. Number 5. Error of omission may result in missing financial information, whereas error of commission may result in inaccurate financial information. Number 6. A common example of error of omission is failing to record a credit purchase, whereas a common example of error of commission is recording the purchase in the wrong account. Number 7. Error of omission can be complete or partial, whereas error of commission generally involves incorrect recording, posting, or calculation. Number 8. Error of omission is often difficult to detect because there is no record of the transaction, whereas error of commission is easier to identify because an incorrect record exists. Number 9. Error of omission may not affect the trial balance if the transaction is completely omitted, whereas error of commission may or may not affect the trial balance depending on the nature of the mistake. Number 10. Error of omission usually causes underreporting of transactions, whereas error of commission causes misclassification or inaccurate reporting of transactions. Number 11. Error of omission occurs when a transaction is left out entirely or partially, whereas error of commission occurs when the transaction is entered with incorrect details. Number 12. Error of omission can be corrected by recording the missed transaction, whereas error of commission can be corrected by rectifying the incorrect entry. Number 13. Error of omission often leaves little documentary evidence, whereas error of commission usually leaves a visible audit trail. Number 14. Error of omission focuses on what was not done, whereas error of commission focuses on what was done incorrectly. Number 15. Error of omission may lead to missed revenues, expenses, assets, or liabilities, whereas error of commission may lead to incorrect account balances and misleading financial statements. Conclusion: error of omission refers to the failure to record a transaction, while error of commission refers to recording a transaction incorrectly. Understanding these differences helps accountants maintain accurate records and prepare reliable financial statements. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.